Bacon and eggs in an air fryer at the same time. I'm Darnell with Way Over Recipes. Going to be using a Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer to cook up some bacon and eggs at the same time. Let's get started with that right now. Alright, so I have myself here some thick sliced bacon from Costco. Got myself a couple eggs and a ramekin. And basically how I'll do this, I'm just going to get a couple slices of this bacon out just on this plate for now, just to kind of stage it to get ready to go into the air fryer while I'm getting my eggs together. And once I get my eggs together in the ramekin, then I'll basically get it all put into the air fryer there. So just going to get this egg cracked open and poured out onto the bowl, and just kind of using this bowl as an intermediary before I put it over into the ramekin. And I got a little shell piece I'm trying to get out. Alright, so I got that shell piece off. Gonna crack my other egg and get it into the bowl, and everything looks good in the bowl. So I'm gonna take everything, gonna get this glove off, gonna take these eggs and get them into this ramekin here. So pouring those on in there. They're still nice and the yolks are unbroken. So that's good. Now I'm going to open up basket 2, put my eggs over here in basket 2 in the ramekin, and I'm going to take my bacon, going to set my bacon over here in side number 1, and just try and make it kind of flat. You know, you want to try and make it as flat as you can. Although the bacon can't fully stretch out, fully lengthwise, it's okay. So just do that kind of like that there. Got a little piece of bacon there. So that off. Now that I've got everything in, I'm going to power on the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer. And I'm going to hit side 1. I want to do an air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to do it for 9 minutes. So going down to 9, well, going up to 9 now. And then go over to side 2. Do an air fry at just 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Time is going to be just 8 minutes, 1 minute less than the bacon. So bacon 9 minutes, eggs 8 minutes, different temperatures, different times, but I want to do them finishing at the same time. So I'm hitting my smart finish button so they both finish at the exact same time. I'm going to go ahead and hit start, and things are cooking. The other side will get going once things get down to 8 minutes, and I'll bring you back in less than 10 minutes. Alright, we're coming into our final 10 seconds here. Things are almost done. No smoke issues at all. 0 smoke issues. And so things are done. It does the cool down. I don't mind pulling it out now though. You can see the bacon, it's pretty much cooked. That bacon maybe could use another minute, maybe could go another minute in there. So I'm going to go to side 1, and I'm going to do side 1 air fry 450, and I'm going down. Let's give it another couple minutes. Now I've done it before in 9 minutes, but maybe it needs a couple more. But here's our egg. You see our finished egg. So let's basically, while that's going for another couple minutes, let's get our egg out, and we'll take this egg out of here, which went for 8 minutes at 350, and you can see it, the white's pretty well cooked, and you're probably wondering if it's like a well fried egg, well, just like a decent fried egg with the yolk runny in the middle. So I'm going to show you that. I'm just using this here to kind of get this egg off the edges. I should have, and I neglected to spray some cooking spray in the ramekin first, but remember to spray some cooking spray in your ramekin first. That'll help make things more non-stick, but it's coming off all the same with what I'm using here. So I've almost got it out, so I'm just finishing working out, and this would have definitely been easier if I had used the cooking spray as I intended, but I did forget that step. So just going to get it kind of poured out here on the plate. And you can see it's kind of runny there. You see the runniness in the egg as I knocked it into the plate here. It is a decently fried egg, so it's getting the excess contents in there. And we got 30 seconds more on the bacon, and then the bacon will be done. So let's just wait the extra seconds, and while we wait, I'll just go ahead and cut into the egg so you can just kind of see things, you know, how things kind of run out. You know, it's a decently fried egg, so 2 fried eggs. And we got 7 more seconds, and then we'll get our bacon onto the plate. So 1 second, and we're done. And it's doing its cool down. So there we go. There's our bacon after, you know, about 11 minutes, because we gave it another couple minutes. So I'd say, you know, give it between 9 and 11 minutes. As I said before, done it in 9. This time I did it in 11. So just throw that out on there and put this piece here. You know, and with this bacon, it's like, if you let it set for a little bit, it does get, you know, a bit harder and harden up a bit without you having to cook it even harder in the fryer. You know, if you like it harder, you just let it set for a moment. It hardens up pretty good. But basically, you know, you can use your own amount of time for your own preference, but this gives you an idea of how you can cook up your bacon and eggs in an air fryer at the same time. Have a closer look at that. I think that looks pretty nice. Let me know what you think in a comment. But what we're going to do now is we're just going to, for our taste testing purposes, I'll just kind of get a piece of the egg kind of cut off that I can get on a fork. And we'll get the camera moved and we'll do ourselves a taste test. Alright, hot bacon and eggs in the morning. Let's do a taste. Here's our egg. Here's our bacon. As I said, it does get stiffer as it kind of sets, so it is stiffer now. So let's taste it. Alright, that is some good stuff, and it's time for me to go have breakfast. And you basically can do this yourself if you want some of your own. But basically, the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer gets that job done, and gets it done real nice and easy. So there you go, and you can basically leave, as I said, your comments. I hope that you did like this video. In the video description, you'll find referral links where you help this channel and such. And also, you can subscribe to the channel, share the video with a friend. You can also give that thumbs up to like this video, and you can also, when you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and good eating.